Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create your own casino gambling website using Casino PHP script version 3.0. This is the website that we are going to create. So before moving toward the video, I am going to show you if you want any other type of PHP script, we also provide you all other type of PHP script. To contact us on WhatsApp, the link is in the description. We will provide you 50% off compared to market. So don't miss this opportunity. Come on my WhatsApp and buy the script at very low price compared to market. So here the homepage of this website, each and everything is changeable from admin panel. So here the sign up and sign in option, you can easily sign in and sign up in this website. So here are the total winners, total deposit, total withdraw, and total users of this website. You can change all the sections of this website. You can also modify this website from the admin panel. So here are the awesome games of casino. You can see the head, tail, rock, paper, scissors, spin wheel, number guessing, dice rolling, card finding, number slot, pool number, loot, casino dice. This casino script contains 14 plus games. So you can add your own manual games from admin panel. So here the about section of this website. You can change all these about from admin panel. So here the best platform, quick deposit, quick withdraw, and 24 hours sport. User can easily click the learn more and read all the about of this website. So why choose casino? So first of all, I will show you an awesome gaming platform, referral commission system, secure betting platform, invest, win and earn quick response, and 26 plus payment gateways. The casino contains the 26 plus payment gateways, and you can also add your own manual payment method from your admin panel. So here are the latest transaction and winner of this website. You can also add your own latest winner of this website. So here are the latest transaction of this website. You can find all of the type of transaction is here. So here are the buy ticket and get millions of dollar. User can click the play now and play the games and easily start betting on this website. So here are the how it's work. First of all, win a lottery, then confirm lottery, then pick a number and choose lottery. Your user can play games easily in this website. So here are the frequently asked questions of this website. You can see the all the type of question is here. User can easily click the question and get the answer of this question from here. So here are the referral commission of this website. You can also generate the referral commission from admin panel and according to you. So here are the why user say about casino. So you can also add the user review of this website. So here are the blog section of this website. You can also add your own blog and article from the admin panels and earn a lot of money. So here are the week step 21 plus payment methods. You can see the all the type of payment method is here. You can also add your own manual payment methods from admin panel. So here are the social media links. User can easily contact with you. So add your own social media links from here. So I will show you a script which are going to create the casino website. So here are the scripts that we are going to create the casino website. The price of this script is $99 on Code Canyon and it is used for only single domain. If you want to buy this script from us, we will provide you a script at 50% off compared to Code Canyon and give you a script for multiple domains. So don't miss this opportunity. Come on my WhatsApp, I will give you. So I will show you the admin panel of this website. So I can just write the admin and log in the admin successful. Here you can see we are logged in successfully with our admin panel. Here are the dashboard of this website. This dashboard contains total user, active user, email, unverified users, mobile unverified user, deposit withdrawal and deposit withdrawal reports, transaction reports, and you can see the graphs of this website. You can also see the transaction graph of this website. So all the things you want is here. So here is the referral commission of this website. You can also generate your own referral commission. From here you can add the number of level and get generate your referral commission as easily generated on this website, and you can also enable the referral commission from here. So here are the managed games of this website. I will show you the games of this website. Here are the 14 plus games. You can also add your own games from game log. So here you can edit the game from here. You can also generate the number of ranks. You can add your games from here. You can add the game name. You can also win chance, get minimum invest amount, and get the instruction of game and get submitted here. Your game has easily added on this website. I am going to show you a game logs of this website. Here you can see the all other type of logs is here. So here the manage user of this website. You can find all the user in this website. You can log in this website. So here the send notification of this website. You can easily send the notification to user and write the message on from here. You can add the start form per batch and coding period. You can also add the numbers from here and get submitted here. Your notifications are easily sent from your users, so it is very easy. This is very good script. If you want this script, to contact us on WhatsApp, the link is in the description. So here the deposit section of this website. Here the all other type of deposit is here. User can take deposit from many payment methods. You can also add your own manual payments method from here. So here are the all other type of withdrawals. You can see the withdrawal section of this website. So here are the sports tickets of this website. You can also add your own tickets from your general settings. So I will show you how you can create your own complete website and how modify this website from the admin panel. So don't worry about this. So here are the report section of this website. Here are the transaction history, login history and notification history. Here are the system settings of this website. At the end, I will show you a system setting of this website. First of all, I will show you a version of the script, update of the script, and cache of the script. So here the update of the script. This script is 3.0 version and latest version of Casino. So you can also update the script from update log. So here are the server of this website. So here the application of this website. This is version 3.0, Visor admin version 5.0.2, level version is 11.8.0 and time zone is UTC. Here are the cache of this website. Here are the all the type of caches here. So here are the server of this website. So you can see the server of this website. You can also see the PHP version, server software, IP address and HTTP host server port. So I am going to show you a system setting of this website. Here the general setting, you can also change the name of website. You can also change the currency symbol, time zone, site base color, site secondary color, record to display per page, currency showing format and register bonus. So you can change all these settings and get submitted here. Your changes are successfully added on your website homepage. So I am show you a logo and favicon on this website. I am going to show you how you can change your logo and favicon from here. You can see, click the cloud button and add your own logo, and your logo has successfully added on this website and get submitted here. So here are the system configuration of this website. You can see the system configuration of this website. You can see the all other type of sections you want to create. So you can also enable and disable the section from here and get submitted here. Your section has easily disabled and enabled from here. So I'm going to show you notification setting of this website. I already showed a notification setting. You can see that you can also add the email template, SMS templates and push notification. You can add the code of here. So you can see the email send form, name, site base color, short code and all the things you want to change into if you get submitted here, your email template has easily added on this website. So here are the payment gateways of this website. I will already show the gateways from here. You can see the 34 plus payment gateway is here. So you can also add your manual gateways from here. So here are the withdrawal methods of this website. You can also add your own withdrawal method from here. You can upload the picture of your withdrawal method. You can add the name, currency, symbol and all of the details you want to change. You can get submitted here. Your withdrawal method is easily submitted on this website. So this is very easy. So here are the managed pages of this website. You can also add your own pages from here. You can add the page slug and get submitted here. You can also successfully add the page on this website. You can also remove the page, delete the page from here. So don't worry about this. If you have any problem, to contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in the description. We will create you. So here are the many templates of this website. This website contains two templates, Basing and Sunfire. You can also select the Sunfire because this is the advanced template of Casino. So here are the system SEO configuration of this website, language